Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that your latest iOS version is not updating right now and they're facing the issue and they're saying the getting the error when you're just updating. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. Just simply just have to just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. And after that, just going to the general section and just going to the iPhone storage and just delete the app which you currently of the iOS just like that. I'm gonna search it. So it's saying don't have any app installing right now. So you have to make sure that not the app installing right now, any beta version app. After that, just cross it and just go back and just scroll it down and is going to the VPN and device management section. Just click on that and also remove the beta profile from that section if you have it. After removing that, just going to the another section of our transfer or reset iPhone, just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all this stuff, just going back and just again power off your iPhone and again on it. After that, you just connect with your Wi-Fi and try to do it. And after that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.